Steph. Happy birthday. Wish you good health, more blessings. You sing happy birthday, Tita Ninang. Say happy birthday.
Happy day!
Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Imong inaanak eh. Samukan kayo. No, great po siya nimong happy birthday. So,
Happy day!
okay, enough na? So, happy birthday. More blessings. Have a lovely day and
Happy day!
happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Day Steph! More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. God bless!
Happy birthday, Doltef. Wish you all the best and stay loquacious. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hello, Steph Vlog! Happy birthday to you! Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ayan, I wish you good health and happiness. And sana marami pang years na darating sa buhay mo to celebrate your birthday. And stay positive. Yan, tandaan mo lagi yan ha. So, once again, happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Hey Beshi, happy birthday and many more blessings to come. I hope you have a blessed birthday. Peace. Love you.
Everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Babatiin ko lang po si Steph Vlog. Tep, happy birthday. More birthdays to come, good health always. At saka, more blessings to your family, to your YT channel. Salamat sa isa ako sa hiningian mo ng birthday greeting sa'yo. Di ko na lang to habain kasi wala kaming kuryente at saka walang wifi, baka hindi ma-send kung mahaba. Ayan lang. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. May you live long, my dear. May you live long, may you live long. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tef. Wala man ko masabi ba? Saba? Basta, healthy lang ka. Stable job. Kana ba? And happy in every day. Yun. So, happy birthday, Tef! Ayan, nasensya ka na sa sintunado kung ano. Thank you for everything.
Hello everyone, mega love shout out. Yan, this is Jingo Mix Vlogs, founder po ng Team Junran. Ayan, Day, Steve, salamat ng marami sa support mo. And once again, happy birthday, no? Sana masaya ka sa araw na to. And we love you, Day. Andito lang kami. Basta mga Bisaya, gahi onjod na og lami on. Bye-bye, Day.
Magandang umaga kung saan man kayo. Ako pala si SRMX Official. Binabati ko po si mahal ng happy birthday. Sana marami kang birthday ang darating sa buhay mo. At mag-ingat ka talaga sa iyong trabaho. More health. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Alam mo na, ano yun? Happy birthday.